Hi, and welcome to ManagePro's Management Edge series, a video series covering a range of management questions and topics. This video is the first in our project management series. Let's get started. One of the most important questions a project manager can ask is why do so many projects fail and how can project management software improve success rates? First, let's define project failure. Projects are typically considered a failure when they are not delivered on time, when they go over budget, and when the finished product doesn't work as intended or doesn't provide the business value expected. What makes determining the causes of project failure so tough are all the variables involved. Companies, teams, and projects have different sets of requirements and environmental factors that can influence outcome. However, when you take all the factors that relate to project failure, it really boils down to three. The first is lack of communication by the team members and the project manager, often because of poorly defined roles and responsibilities, fear of speaking up regarding known issues, and simply not collaborating effectively. There's also lack of communication by stakeholders in the project team. This is usually inadequate or vague requirements, which often results in failure to meet end-user expectations. Second, plans don't represent reality very well. This often causes unrealistic timeframes and tasks, which in turn causes overruns of schedule and cost. And the third reason projects fail is due to competing priorities. There are too many active projects being worked and not enough resources to cover them all. This is where ManagePro comes in. ManagePro is a project management software tool that can reduce your frustration and improve your project success. First, I'd like to show you how ManagePro tackles the communication problem. With its built-in coordination capabilities that every person on your team can access, such as project details, a conversation thread, to-do lists, an area for uploading documents, progress updates. With ManagePro, you're allowed real-time communication and keeps all the important data related to your project in one place, saving you the time it takes to search through documents or emails. All correspondence is tracked and managed right in the system. ManagePro tackles the project planning problem with its built-in set of tools, including more than 200 date, number, and text fields to enable you to define project goals and objectives, scope requirements, stakeholders, overarching action plans, all the way down to the tasks if you need that detail of a plan. ManagePro allows you to plan your projects with both the map view and the Gantt chart view. Planning around time, budgets, and people resources is all handled very smoothly and pushes out to others to gather up-to-date feedback. ManagePro tackles the competing priorities problem with its high level of visibility on all projects, tasks, and goals. You will be able to see immediately what's important, how we are going to get there, and what it needs to happen today. Along with a flexible project planning feature set, ManagePro also adds a complete set of performance, strategic alignment, and portfolio planning business tools. Planning around time, budgets, and people resources is all handled very smoothly and pushes out to others to gather up-to-date feedback. To learn more, go to www.managepro.com/Management Edge series.